Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial I will show you this amazing software for rigging. It's pretty amazing, so you can use it and get a lot of features for this amazing rigging tool. Use it to rig your characters. So here we are in the software, which is called ActorCore Accurig software, and you have a lot of. You can get free motions and actors also, and you do whatever you want with your characters, especially for rigging and to speed up your workflow. So just as shown here, you can drag and drop character file here, FBX file or OBJ file, or you can choose file to navigate where files are. Also, you can search on Sketchfab compatible poses and extras. We have different poses and extras for the software, T-pose and other different poses. So let's begin to bring our first character over there. Click on it. It's gonna be taking you to the files. So just go over the desktop. I want to add this character made using Make Human software. So let's try and see what we have over here. So it's gonna be taking you to this part of rig, so you can drag it like this. So let me explain it just tiny bit. So go over here and we have add this header, different elements and features. For example, file, you can load character from here, load simple character. Also this menu for editing, you can, as you can see, you can add mask and symmetrize your character, mirroring and motion. Also shown here, we have the mode and the view if you want to view it, and help. You have different informations over here. Online manual for tutorial if you have no idea about this, how to use this software, video tutorials, feedback tracker, and about Accurig ActorCore as shown here. So if you want to rig the body of this character, just go over this button, click on it. It's gonna be taking some time to rig and make and add in some points on different joints. And as you can see, here we have different points, added different points on different parts of joint like this, and you can see it hover over any point over here. Over here you can see the, as shown here, it's gonna be adding different points. For example, you can see it, click on it in order to show the point on the wrist. Also on different parts of the body, you have the head. Also for this part over here, the knee, and for the ankle and the foot as shown here in our tutorial. And we have also in this bar different tools as shown here. By clicking on this tool and activating this tool, you can rotate your 3D character. Also you can move it like this, move it up, move it whatever you want. Also it's gonna be allowing you to zoom out and zoom in. We have this part here and this tool for reset the camera.